The 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is one of the most anticipated muscle cars, and if the rumors and early reports are accurate, Dodge is preparing something that could redefine American performance once again. The legendary Challenger has always been about raw power, bold styling, and an unmistakable road presence. And this new generation looks ready to carry that legacy into the future while embracing modern technology. If you've been waiting for the return of an iconic muscle car with serious attitude, you're going to want to see what Dodge has in store. From the very first glance, the new Challenger SRT Hellcat looks more aggressive than ever. It keeps the classic wide body stance that fans love but introduces sharper body lines, redesigned LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic front fascia. The signature hood scoop remains, feeding cool air into the powerful engine while adding to the car's intimidating appearance. Larger air intakes, a revised front splitter, and muscular rear fenders create a look that screams performance before the engine even starts. The rear features updated LED taillights stretching across the width of the car, giving it a modern signature while still paying tribute to its heritage. Every angle of the new Challenger feels purposeful, combining retro-inspired styling with futuristic details. Step inside, and the cabin finally matches the excitement of the exterior. Dodge has reportedly focused on creating a more premium driving environment without sacrificing the muscle car personality. High-quality leather upholstery, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting give the interior a luxurious yet sporty feel. A large digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance information, while a massive infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air software updates. The redesigned steering wheel features performance controls within easy reach, and the heavily bolstered sport seats are built to keep both driver and passenger comfortable during spirited driving. Despite being a performance machine, the Challenger still offers practical rear seating and a surprisingly spacious trunk for weekend trips. Of course, the biggest question is what powers this beast. While Dodge has remained secretive, many enthusiasts expect the new SRT Hellcat to continue delivering incredible horsepower, possibly exceeding previous generations. Whether it retains a supercharged V8 or introduces advanced hybrid performance technology, one thing is certain: it will be engineered to produce breathtaking acceleration. Expect lightning, fast launches, explosive throttle response, and enough power to dominate both the street and the drag strip. Dodge is also expected to improve handling with an upgraded suspension, adaptive dampers, larger performance brakes, and enhanced traction systems, making the Challenger more capable in corners while preserving its legendary straight-line speed. Technology also plays a much bigger role than before. Multiple driving modes will likely allow drivers to customize throttle response, suspension firmness, steering feel, and exhaust sound. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system should make daily driving safer without taking away the excitement behind the wheel. As for pricing, the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is expected to start somewhere around the higher $80,000 range, depending on trim levels and optional performance packages. Fully loaded versions could easily push beyond the six-figure mark, especially if Dodge introduces exclusive limited edition models packed with premium features and track-focused upgrades. The 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat isn't just another sports car, it's a celebration of American muscle in its most modern form. It combines iconic styling, cutting-edge technology, heart-pounding performance, and everyday usability into one unforgettable package. If Dodge delivers everything enthusiasts are hoping for, this could become one of the most exciting performance cars of the decade. Let us know in the comments if you think the new Hellcat will live up to its legendary name, and don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive updates coming your way.